What is up, guys? My name is Nash and welcome back to another video. And today I received a very interesting comment under one of my videos, and I'm gonna go ahead and read this comment for you guys. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. So this is from Alexis, and here it goes. So it says, I'm a senior in high school and I'm planning about majoring in finance and Spanish, but I'm deciding whether to go to a community college for 2 years, then transferring to a better college, or just go to a local private college or university. Which option do you recommend? So this is such a great question because I was in the same shoes 4 years ago or 5 years ago when I decided I wanted to go to college. So there's a lot that goes into this. To simply answer this, if you're basing this off of how much money you're gonna pay, it's obviously gonna cost you less if you go to a community college for 2 years and then transfer it over to a 4-year college. But there's a lot of things that go into this, and I want this to be, specific to finance. Also, depending on the college, when you're studying finance, you have to take a lot of prerequisites, and these are classes that you probably took in high school, like economics and stuff like that. And if you've seen my other video, which is my finance degree in 14 minutes, go ahead and watch that. You pretty much see that the only time you get to take finance classes is pretty much the last 2 years of your college, which is junior and senior year. Sometimes it's only the last year, depending on the university. All right, so here's why you should go to a community college first and then transfer over to a 4-year college. You can literally watch a lot of YouTube videos that will teach you the same thing that you would learn in class. And I know sometimes when I was taking finance classes, I would literally skip class just to teach myself by watching YouTube videos, and I would learn better. So with finance, you don't really need college, but you need the degree to get a job. But when it comes to learning it, you have more control over how much you can learn. So if you go to a community college, you're going to be able to finish those basic classes that you have to take, like, English, history, stuff like that. But at the same time, you can actually teach yourself finance by watching YouTube videos, going on different websites. And that's really going to help you. And the bottom line is you're actually paying less to attend the community college compared to how much you would pay going to a university. All right, so the only thing that I see that's really great about community college is that you save money, which is really great. I think that should always be an option for everyone. It's worth looking into, but sometimes you might not be concerned about money because you're looking for something else. All right, so here's why you should go to a 4-year college. So I think one of the biggest things is pretty much networking. In order to really be successful in finance, you're going to need a network of people that are actually in finance as well, or related fields. And this is actually going to help you get internships, get, things like that. So I feel like if you go to a community college for 2 years and then you transfer over to a 4-year college for the last 2 years, you're not going to have the same opportunity to network as someone who's been on a college since their first year. And when I talk about networking, I'm talking about, networking with professors. So I know at most colleges, finance professors usually teach multiple classes. They might teach, a bunch of finance classes, and they'll teach economics. So you really get to know these professors, and they get to know you because maybe you're taking one of their classes every other semester. So if you ever need a recommendation, it'll be a lot easier to ask these professors because you've had several classes with them. And you also get to network with students. There are students that end up, creating these big companies, So I think that's one of the biggest things when it comes to a 4-year college. You really get the chance to network with professors and students for a longer time. So another reason to attend a 4-year college is if the college has a really good finance program, So you usually want to start from the bottom, because if it's ranked as one of the best, or if they say it's good, that means they're building you up from the first classes that you take. So that would be something that's worth really checking out. But at the end of the day, a 4-year college is going to cost you more money than starting at a community college and transferring over to a 4-year college. So as you can see, there's a lot of things that go into making these decisions. And the biggest one is obviously money. But that's pretty much it. As for me, like I said before, I went to a 4-year college and I loved it. I don't regret going here. Even though I had to pay a lot of money, I still love it. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know if I missed anything. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.